Whoa. Okay, so this is one of the cheapest Android 4G phone, and it's got 2 gig of RAM, 16 gig storage, and it has Android 10 with Android Go in it. Okay, let's go check out the new Blackview A80. It's been out for almost a year now, but you can get it on sales right now. I'll try and put the link in the description. Hopefully it's still that same $75 sales price when you get it, but how good can it be? Let's go check out and see. Okay, welcome back, and let's start from what's inside the box. The Blackview A80 is just stunning, and there is even a condom case here for extra protection. But if you look at it, the body is made of plastic, but the design is just absolutely incredible, and I'm liking the dual tone color on this red color design. If this is your first time of watching a video or you like a channel, please click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to get videos like this. So right inside the box is also a SIM ejector tool and a manual. I guess most of us don't read that again. Then there is a micro USB for this. Of course, I wasn't expecting anything more than a micro USB, which is under, and the earphone is on the other top. Then there is a charger here. It's 5-watt charger. It's not a quick charge here, but of course the battery is 4200 milliamperes, so one charge should be able to be enough. So let's turn this beauty on and let's go and check out what's inside this phone, and then how good are cheaper Android phone becoming. So we're gonna take a good look into this. I'm gonna give you a full spec in the description, but even the makers of this phone tells you that it feels really expensive. So right inside it, let's look at my first impression. This phone looks nice, and what I mean nice, the screen, the LCD, the quality of the LCD screen here is absolutely incredible. I mean, for a $70 phone, a 4G, 6 gig, 2 gig RAM, 16 gig storage, actually has Android Go. The movement, the navigation of apps, opening apps, moving around was just so cool. I mean, it's just incredible for value for that. For me, I mean, this is the best, cheapest Android 4G phone. So let's just go inside and check out other things that are here. As you can see, it is running Android 10, but it is on the Go edition. Talking about the design, as I said before, the design of this phone is so stunning. I mean, the reflection of the light on this, it's actually plastic. There's the fingerprint below the camera that took the Mate 30 Pro design, and it is just a beauty to behold. So the screen under direct sunlight, it's just wonderful. I mean, this is under direct sunlight, and I'm still able to see and view the screen. Very high quality. It is very good for viewing. The viewing angles are good, very good for media consumption, and you can see that in the way, you know, you can watch YouTube and other movies. It is a 720p screen display, so if you're watching YouTube, you can only watch on 720, which is still good if you're watching it here, and that's a very beautiful thing. So let's move straight and talk about the camera. Well, if you're buying this phone for the camera, I might tell you that that is not the best option, because the camera struggles to focus when it comes to lower light or even in broad daylight. It struggles to focus on a particular image, as you can see here. But when it does focus, which is after a few seconds, it does take some good pictures. So I wouldn't completely write off the camera, but the front camera, it's not it's not that good. But you can see the picture taken here. There's still details in this picture from the camera. But let's look at the front camera right now. It's not all that beautiful, but good thing is that I also found a Gcam for it. I'm going to do a separate video for the camera camera comparison. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. And then let's look at the speaker, the audio quality of the speaker. Let me just allow you to hear it. Let me raise the volume. Well, as you can see, it's not the best of sound, but it wasn't that bad. I was able to run Antutu benchmark on it, but there was no record for the GPU. I don't know why it happened, but it does have MTK 6737 processor with a Mali T720, but this version of Antutu couldn't really work with the GPU here. Maybe optimization. As you can see, the GPU tests couldn't really run because Antutu wasn't assessing the GPU for this test. But we're going to see gameplay very soon after this to show us how good it can still play game or not. So I'm going to stop it here because the GPU, it could have got more scores, a decent CPU score, but it could have got more scores if the GPU was scores was also taken into consideration. So let's look at the gameplay right now. We're going to play some part of gameplay. Let me try with Asphalt Nitro. Now this is a very light game, so if you're thinking of gaming, this phone is not really necessarily best for gaming, but it can still play a game, the average game there. It can play the average game, so it's not that you can't play game at all with it. You can still enjoy gaming with this phone. So that's just the gameplay here, and I'm beginning to think that this phone is really so much worth everything about its $70 price. It has 4G, multiple 4G bands, good design, and let me know in the comment section, and I also put the link in the description for that. Let me know if you like this phone, or if you want to give it a shout, or if you want to get that as a gift for somebody. And that will be my last video for the year, and I'll see you in 2021. Peace.